Hello and good afternoon, welcome to Your Next Car's YouTube channel. Wasim here presenting you a short video presentation of this absolutely stunning X6 M50 diesel we have in. M50d, so 3 litre quad turbo, 4 turbos producing 400 brake horsepower, 0 to 60 in about 5 seconds. This is the creme de la creme of BMW's diesel engines in the 4x4 ranges. We've had a few of these in, and this particular one is absolutely gorgeous. One owner with a full BMW service history, remainder of the manufacturer warranty up until the end of this year. It's a late 2020 model car, fitted with some absolutely stunning options from the factory, as well as some really nice styling upgrades that we've carried out in-house. Let's take a look around. So we've got the huge gloss black kidney grills. Being the M50, we've got the bigger air vents here. Again, all in gloss black. 3-piece front splitter, expertly fitted in-house. Cruise control with brake function and emergency assist. 22-inch individual spoke wheels. These are genuine BMW wheels with Continental Contact 6 tyres. All above 5mm, tyres are in excellent condition. These wheels have been refinished in a tinted black with tinted lacquer, so they're not quite gloss black. Just to show you a contrast, that's what gloss black is. And these shine off the light because it's the lacquer that's tinted. Looks really good, almost gives it a rose sort of dark bronzy look. Looks really good. There you see the skylounge panoramic roof. It's one of the factory options here. Reversing camera, touchscreen sat nav of course. M Sport Plus pack with the M seat belts, which I'll show you in a second. These sidebars, gloss black, really complementing the bigger wheels. M rear spoiler and rear diffuser. You can probably tell how the light's shining off the car. It's in really good condition. Automatic boot, original mats, and everything is in very tidy order. Huge boot, of course. And now the driver's side, once again flawless. It's not been detailed and polished yet as well, so that will bring out the bodywork even better. It will go through a 3-stage polish. And there you see the finish on the wheels. Let's take a look at the rear seats. Isofix rear bench with a front rear centre armrest. Again, really tidy. Inside we've got the electric windows, electric mirrors and electric folding mirrors. Memory seats with the lumbar support. There you see the M seat belts with the tricolour logo. 13,049 miles to be exact. Let's take a look at the infotainment system. I'll get you to hear that quad turbo as well in a second. It sounds great for a diesel. Let's put in adaptive. Really nice rumble to it. Ambient lighting throughout the car, which is of course colour changing. Harman Kardon sound. Head-up display as part of the tech pack. There you see the panoramic sky lounge roof, which is in the open position. As it retracts, you'll see the sky lounge feature is these small dots, which at night all illuminate into the colour that you've chosen for the ambient lighting. There we go, the cruise control and speed limit and multifunction steering wheel. Of course, there's Tiptronic as well, and you've got all the functions here: Sport, Comfort, Eco, Pro, and Adaptive. DAB radio, Bluetooth, Apple CarPlay, screen mirroring for some devices as well. Let's take a look at the service information just to give you an idea of that as well. So full BMW service history, pre-delivery at 6 and then 11,000 miles. Next engine oil service at 14. So a long way to go with that yet. HP and PCB available. We work with a variety of lenders. As with all our cars, they are physically in stock and ready to go. Same day driveway available. And part exchange is welcome. If I've missed anything, please give us a call. Appreciate you looking. Thanks very much for your time. Thank you.